Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add restaurant menu for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll somewhere here, click on add section, like wherever you want. Just click add section and you're gonna see it here, restaurant. Okay, now you have option which restaurant you want to have. Is when you're gonna click here, you can just easily choose what kind of menu you would like. And really play around it. So you can have like lounge menu, and then have like, I don't know, our tasty desserts. And then you get like another section, which is like our lunch menu, etc. And people can just easily look it. So that's how we can do it. And yeah, so when I'm going to click, I don't know, here, and I will click on save. Let's wait for it. And you can just easily see that this is like perfect made up. And what you can do, like, I think this would be possible, but I don't think it's possible. So I'm really thinking about if we could do it, but I don't think that's possible. No, it's not. So what I was thinking about right now, guys, that what if I would create a column here, it would be like 5 columns: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, blah blah. And this would change, but it's not possible because this is static. This is static, so you can just easily edit these and add item here. And I don't think that you can really play around it. So just easily add new item, add new category. Oh, maybe. Okay. New item category. This is possible. Just insert Monday here and create a new column. That's possible. So what you can do, guys, is you can go here like Monday and just write here the item, cake. You can add a picture and description. So you would add here like, yeah, it's possible. I know how to do it. So you're gonna have like restaurant menu. So widget menu, add a menu here. Okay. And you can have like this similar menu, but let's say click to paste. So now I would have it here, category name Monday, Tuesday, I don't know how to write the day, Thursday, and just have days after days. See? And this is how you can do it. And easy. Then Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, blah blah blah, and you get like perfect menu. And just play with the colors and everything. This is it. This is how you can do it. Perfect. Let me see something now. Because most people see it in perfect. This is good. So yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.